Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am on a roll. Recorded one video, not done editing. Well, as a matter of fact, I didn't edit yet, but recorded a video. That's one step down. And we're back in the studio recording a second one. Took a little break and we're back recording a second video. So in today's video, you guys, I am doing an unboxing. Yes, you heard me correctly, an unboxing. I do several of these unboxing videos, not only on my YouTube channel, which by the way, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not already part of the Kwak fam, and click the like button down below, hit the bell, yada yada yada, all that good stuff. Help me out. Thank you so much for those of you who have already helped me out. Alright, so like I was saying, I do unboxings not only on my YouTube channel, but I do a lot of them on my Instagram, my IG stories. So this unboxing, if you're following me on my IG story, you might have already seen this, so it might not be a surprise to you. But for those of you who, if you're not following me on my Instagram, which I think you should, Instagram and TikTok, you can see my dog, super cute. And which, by the way, my dog also has an IG of her own, so follow her there. Instagram, TikTok, I don't really use Twitter like that, but I do have one. I should be more active on it. But yeah, so any social media links are down below in the description box below. Easy for your convenience. Alright, so today's unboxing was sent to me so kindly by INFLUENSTER. I just want to say this video is not sponsored, but the products were sent to me technically for free. And I say technically because, they do send out emails and you have to do take surveys and, post videos and, post images. You got to do your part to receive products. So it's not like I'm spending money to get these products, but I am spending time, and time is money. So yeah, take it as you will. All right, so unboxing time because I've already unboxed it on my IG story. So it came in this beautiful box. There's nothing in there because I've already taken the product out. All right. And we're just going to show you that part because it has my address and all that stuff all over it. So we just want to not show you that right now. All right. So in that box, you guys, they sent us 2 wonderful products. All right. So in this hand, in my right hand, we have the Clarins lotion. Let me backtrack. We have the Clarins hydrating toning lotion. This has aloe vera and saffron flower extracts. This is for normal to dry skin. Perfect for me, dry skin. And then here, the second product they sent me, also another Clarins product. This is a Clarins Paris hydrating gentle foaming cleanser with alpine herbs and aloe vera extracts. Again, normal to dry skin. So they sent us 2 different products. One is a foaming cleanser. This is perfect because, well, I do have a foaming. I do have 2 foaming cleansers I'm using right now. One of which is CeraVe and the other one is Neutrogena. My Neutrogena one is coming down to its bottom end. I did a review on that. So somewhere, one of my more recent videos is in a pink bottle. It's like that milky cleanser. Check it out if you're curious, but that pink Neutrogena milky cleanser, it's pretty much all gone. So this is perfect. I'll take this and replace that. And then this is the hydrating toning lotion. It's kind of interesting to me how they call it a toning lotion, because to me when I think of lotion, I think of a more thicker consistency. But as you guys can tell, because this bottle or this packaging is clear, so you can see right through it and you can see that it's not a thick lotion type of consistency. It's more of an essence or a toner. Well, it says toning on it, so dead giveaway, but still the word lotion, to me at least, it kind of throws me off, but whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so they sent us those 2 products. Again, thank you so much to INFLUENSTER, and thank you to Clarins because they're the one that made these products, right? Clarins Paris. Check them out. Okay, they also sent me a little informational card. So let's just go ahead and see what this little informational card is telling us. New expert cleansers, purity straight from the mountains. So on the front, it has 4 different products. So, and I only got 2 of them. The other 2 is a green bottle and a pink bottle. So looking at this image, I'm just like reading it off straight from this image. So the green one is a foaming cleanser. And the pink one is also a foaming cleanser, but what is the difference? So the green one says purifying gentle foaming cleanser, and the pink one is a soothing gentle foaming cleanser. So they're all foaming cleansers, which is nice. So it looks like the green one is for like combination skin to like oily skin. So the green one would not be in my, skincare regime or regimen because my skin is dry. The yellow one I've already talked about, and the pink one, it looks like is for very dry to sensitive skin. So for me personally, I would probably go for either the yellow one or the pink one because my skin is dry. And sometimes it does get to a point where, and by sometimes I mean like literally a lot of the times, it gets to a point where my skin is like very dry, and it gets so dry where my skin does feel a little bit sensitive. Not a little bit, but a lot of it. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, 4 products. I got 2 of them. On the other side, it gives us like instructions. Let's see. Let's read it again. Discover Claren's new expert cleansers, green and eco-friendly formulas enriched with potent plant extracts for pristine, clean skin. I feel like I'm like a little commercial going on. So, first bullet point, it tells us cleansers are formulated with gentle, complex, sustainable, sourced from our open air lab, Le Domaine Clarins. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly, but we'll just go with it. To effectively soothe and comfort while removing impurities, makeup, and pollution. So when you're out and about in the world, and right now, we're not really out and about too much, but we are because things are definitely getting back to normal. More people are going out and more restaurants are opening up, more workplaces, and just a lot of things are just coming back to normal, right? And by normal, I mean pre-pandemic year, whatever, okay? And when we go out, there is pollution, and basically your skin, it can get affected by all that pollution outside, from what I'm gathering and researching from. So, second bullet point, toning lotion toning lotion enriched with our microbiota complex to preserve and balance skin's natural microbiota for a healthy looking complexion. So what is this all telling us? Well, it says step 1, you would grab your hydrating foaming cleanser right here. This has naturally foaming Saporia extract, soap and SLS free formula, and with moisture rich aloe vera extract for soft, hydrating, and perfectly refreshed skin. You want to use this by warming up the product between your palms. Ooh, let me hold it up a little bit higher so you guys can see. I feel like the whole time I was talking, it was just all blurry, so I do apologize, but do you guys see that? Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, so what was I saying? Warm it up between your hands and then work into a delicate lather over the face, rinse and pat dry. After that, you would take your hydrating toning lotion, that is the back, here's the front, and what you're gonna do is alcohol free, all right, and chlorine free, aloe vera and organic fig extract. Hydrate and balance. You want to use this, you want to put it on a cotton pad and gently wipe over your face after you cleanse, and there is no rinsing needed. So I know it says to use a cotton pad, but for this I'm probably just going to use my hands. I'm going to kind of pour some in my hand, being very careful because it is liquid, so you don't want to like spill it all over. So pour a little bit on my hand, and then I'm just going to kind of gently rub and tap. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do. Obviously, I haven't used them yet because, well, they're brand new and I haven't opened it. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna do let me think. You know, sometimes I don't want to open all my products all at once because then once they're open, you have a limited time to use them. You know what I mean? Like for example, if you guys were if you guys remember what I said earlier in the video, I said that I was happy I got this because one of my face cleansers, the Neutrogena one, it is pretty much all gone. So this will definitely replace that. So I'm not like wasting the products. Whereas this one, I don't need to open it right now because I do have essences and toners that I'm using currently. So me having to open this and then use those toners and use that essence and use this, it's just, I'm not gonna know if it's really working for my skin or not. So I might wait a couple more weeks before I actually dive into these products. But in the meantime, you can follow me on my Instagram and I will talk about more about these products there. And I will, if I remember, comment down below. You can remind me. I will do an updated video on these. But this video was just an unboxing showing you guys what Influencer sent me, which I am very grateful for. Thank you so much to Influencer and Clarence Paris. This video is not sponsored, alright, but I wish it was. However, I did put in effort to get these products, so like I said, time is money. Yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. What a simple, quick, easy unboxing. That is it for this video. I will definitely update you guys on my IG story, however. So, there's that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys!